In this video, I'll show you how to add delivery instructions for FedEx drivers. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your phone. For example, you can use Google Chrome. Once it opens, tap on the search bar and type FedEx tracking. Now, tap on the official FedEx website from the search results. On the page, you'll see a tracking ID box. Tap on it and enter your tracking number. After entering the tracking ID, tap on the Track button. This will open your shipment details. Here, look for the Manage Delivery option and tap on it. Now, select Provide Delivery Instructions. You can add a one-time note for the driver, such as where to leave the package or special delivery preferences. After entering your instructions, save or confirm your changes. And that's it. Your delivery instructions will now be shared with the FedEx driver. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips.